IUD USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about IUD against dollars. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, all of that. And below the video you'll find some links. Go and check them out. We have a trading robot. You can join that if you want, or if you want some manual consultation, then you can click on this link which says book consultation. Okay, so you can talk to me if you want for 30 minutes, one-to-one on the call. So go and check out these links, join the broker, subscribe, like and share. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are going up, so we still don't have a red candle in weekly to confirm that we might be going down. Just like here you see, here we had but we don't know if this was resistance. Okay, so this is happening. Normally what happens in any pair, this rejection came and then we were supposed to form a red candle. That is not happening in IUD pairs because IUD on its own is very strong at this moment. Okay, so right now Australian dollar is very strong on its own. That is why all IUD pairs you see, IUD JPY, IUD CAD and all that, IUD pairs are all going up. Okay, because of its own strength. Coming back to daily time frame, here in Delhi we have to keep an eye. Okay, because this high is not broken by this high, so this could act as a double top and we might fall down. We'll have to see. Okay, coming back to 4 hour, here again in 4 hour, if this high breaks, okay, if this high breaks, then I will not tell you what will happen. Okay, so this could act as a double top. So this high is not broken by this high yet, but coming candles might close above this previous high and then we might I will not tell you what. Okay, because you want everything for free? I don't think so. So if you want my consultation or USD pair analysis, then you can book consultation with me. I had been giving free money for so many months already now. Okay, so this was your trend. Then we have not made any new highs yet. Okay, so this was your downtrend, pullback, and then new low, and still new high is not made yet. Okay, so if you don't know what's going to happen with IUD USD, I will not tell you for now. Go and join my consultation. Okay, but one more thing I could tell you, that if you are trading USD pairs and you want to trade only one pair at a time, then you don't even need to choose AUD USD or NZD USD. Okay, so you have a Euro USD, GBP USD, and too many pairs if you trade only one pair at a time. Okay, so this is it, AUD USD. If you like, if you don't like, doesn't really matter. Subscribe, like and share, do your job. Otherwise I'll stop doing mine. So we'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take